to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today we are going to the Xinshe Flower Festival in Taichung. Every year is a very great flower festival. Because today I come with my bike, so I need to park here. Best Master Mushroom restaurant. I parked there my bike, and I need to go there because I need to walk almost 15 minutes, and you can see I need to walk all around this. It's look like a nursery farm, so I need to walk from here almost 20 minutes. Perception, policy formation.
今天邮票特价1张。那你看看啊。
So guys, this area is like many flower which I can need a shadow. You can see very beautiful flowers here also. Here's a very good flower. So guys, this is the starting point of the flower festival area. You can see this very beautiful flower on this side, and here is a kind of a nursery which need a shadow and high temperature, so they are making here, and it's very beautiful view. Everyone enjoying here a lot. Different purple, white, yellow, red, and different color of the flowers are here, so it's very amazing. This is my third year to coming here every year to this sea festival.
游客勿跨越沟渠、攀爬高处，请注意安全。感谢您的配合。
我看到后面有人，你不是白拍了？哦，
拍吧。对啊，没关系啊。麻公狗好酸哦。
你没有看到麻狗狗？ So here's the starting point, guys. Flower space. No matter. Watch your step.
我们排一排。
你们要过去啊！是这个吗？那小果子是这里呀。哇，这去叫小果。哦，那菇类呀，那是菇类呀，叫你来盖菇类呀。你要喝吗？你要不要喝菇类？来分三点呀。那个做这边。台湾没这个。对呀，就是。
这边讲喽。
我觉得是来我吃它，这里啊。
不好意思。
哦，小朋友，绵羊班，企鹅班。
鱼丸哦。我要大型一点。So guys, we are going to the Taichung fresh food. This area is for the food like mushroom, drinks, feed. So wait, let's see what inside, what kind of it says Taichung Freshet. So let's go to check it. You can buy different kind of flowers here that you can plant it in home. Because Xinshe is very famous for the mushroom, so I think you can see a lot of mushroom here. So guys, I go into the food area, and these are the buses where different part of the Taichung and different cities they come free bus shuttle bus system for everyone who want to take a bus. There are free buses here, so you can see many people already start going back. Yeah. So guys, there's a lot of food there, but unfortunately I not find any halal food. There's no take of halal food anywhere in the whole this area and that area. There's no halal food, so I just buy one sugarcane juice. Yeah, I feel a little bit hungry. I come early here, but unfortunately there is no halal food, so I cannot eat anything here.